Hi, my name is Louise,
Hi, I'm Elizabeth.
and today Elizabeth and I are going to be talking about medical device sales representatives. So, this job is described as selling and marketing products to medical facilities. These are things such as drugs, equipment in the operating rooms, like the machines that they use, and products such as face masks, gloves, needles, and other things along those lines. So what they do is they attend sales meetings and conferences, they find clients' needs, and they offer those correct services and products to them. They establish very strong relationships with doctors and surgeons so that they can keep those and keep them as customers.
Yes, like Louise said, building a relationship with the doctors because you're going to be working with them is a big skill that you're going to need to have for this field. Other skills would include medical terminology. I'd say that's a big one as well. Problem solving, research, adaptability, time management, storytelling, and the biggest one, in my opinion, communication.
So when it comes to work locations for medical device sales reps, they work at their at-home offices or they work in operating rooms during surgeries. They're, of course, at different medical facilities, and they travel between facilities and companies' territories. So one day they could be working at home in their office, and the next day they could be in a hospital.
So the salary for a medical sales representative, the medium wage in 2024 was $32.11 hourly and 66,780 annually. And I feel as if this would fluctuate between states or how much you are going to be working.
When it comes to the schooling requirements for this career, there is not much specific for it. You can really have a bachelor's degree in a very wide range of majors. You can have a degree in business, sales, healthcare management, or any other health major, such as exercise science. And then certified professional salesperson, a CPSP certification is an option, as well as training programs such as the National Association of Medical Sales Representatives that is also available.
Something that a lot of people don't know for medical sales devices is there's actually different types of medical sales devices that you can sell. One would be pharmaceutical sales, which is recommending specific drugs to physicians for them to use at their practice. Medical devices, this involves selling the more technical and medical side of medical sales. Involves like different kinds of machines used in operating rooms, like Louise said before. Healthcare management services, which focuses on selling software services that assist marketing, billing, and office management, and medical supplies, selling more of like the general products such as gloves, gauze, face masks, and plenty more.
So there are multiple examples of companies in medical device sales. Arthrex, Philips, and Stryker are all three very strong companies. Arthrex focuses on orthopedic products such as spine, ankle, and knee. Philips Healthcare focuses on more of the machine side, such as CT scans, MRI scans, and other different kinds of x-rays. And then Stryker sells a very wide range of products. They sell joint replacements and implants. They sell trauma devices, and they also sell hospital beds.
So this career employed 303,200 employees in 2024 and has a 1 to 2% projected growth between 2024 and 2034 nationwide, but 14% projected growth from 2022 to 2032. In the state of Florida, the median wage is $113,730 with a top 10% earning 217,380 or even more.
So, this is definitely a career that Elizabeth and I are both considering, and we are very excited to see what our future looks like because this is coming up. But it is a very challenging and hardworking career that we are dedicated to do.
Yes, so excited.